my god, hey guys, it's been a while. What's up? I'm in the apartment that I live in all the time. Just chilling in Orange County, California, doing school all day. But it's been a while since I've posted. No offense, sorry, it's been like 2 months, brothers and sisters. Let me switch it up. Wow, this lighting is kind of superb. I can't believe it. So, you're probably wondering what we have in store today. Well, you will never believe it. Me and you are going on a picnic together. Are you ready, lads? So I've got all my picnic essentials, the picnic blanket, my water bottle, my keys, my mask, of course, and I added some hairpins to my hair, some butterfly clips. Absolutely stunning. Anyways, let's head out, y'all. OMG, hey, I just picked up the food from my favorite place, Loving Hut. I always go to the one near Chapman. So here's my nice little foods. I'll do a haul once we get to the park. Also, recently, I just wanted to share this. I've been listening to I Love You Always Forever by Donna Lewis non-stop this entire day. There's a woman walking up to the car next to me. Anyways, I'm just gonna start driving to the place. Hey guys, made it to the park. I know you guys thought I wouldn't be able to do it. Haters were preying on my downfall, but I made it here. It's kind of a nice park, and I couldn't really figure out how to frame it properly, so I'm just gonna keep saying like this. You know how newborn babies get posed like this by their photographers? I'll insert a photo. Baby pose. Anyways, let's get started with the mukbang. Mukbang, as you're supposed to say it. So we got a little haul from Loving Hut. The one woman that works there loves me because I order there like every week. So I always come in and she's like, hi Amber, I love your hair. Hey. I love our banter. So first up on the menu, we have our golden nuggets, which are big chicken tenders. Next up, we have our spring rolls with extra peanut sauce. And finally, my iced Thai coffee. I'm never really one to drink coffee, but I feel like I needed a beverage in this video. Oh, that is just superb. I think I'm gonna film it this way. I think I'm just gonna lay on the ground so that I fit in the frame. So it's been a while. I figured we could catch up. And you could pull out a meal and you can eat with me and it'll be great. So what have I been up to recently? Honestly, I have no idea. I have newly started streaming with Ashley. Well, I haven't streamed, but I joined Ashley's stream. We play Among Us with a bunch of our viewers. We stream on Twitch. I'll put her name somewhere, so if you want to join, you can watch us or play with us. So for the past 3 days in a row, we've been streaming and playing Among Us for like 5 hours straight. And there's a time difference. So in California, I stopped playing at like 1 in the morning, but Ashley's playing until like 4 in the morning. And I'm like, what? Because she's 3 hours ahead, but it's so much fun, and it makes me excited to go home for Thanksgiving to actually see my friends and my family, because I just be playing video games with them, but now I'm like, kind of miss you guys too. You know what's funny about my setup right now is that directly across from me, like 50 feet away, there's 2 guys like having their own picnic. If they wanted a spring roll, I would gladly give them one of mine. When you do mukbangs, are you supposed to talk with your mouth full? How am I supposed to film a video while I'm eating? It's so funny eating at college. Like, I thought that I would be so good at cooking for myself in an apartment, because last year I lived in a dorm and I was like, oh my god, cannot wait to have a kitchen finally next year. And now that I have a kitchen, I am so much worse at planning meals than I thought I would be. It's so funny, these Loving Hut spring rolls have like vegan shrimp in them. So interesting. It's like kind of really good. Big bite, let's go. Oh no. So, something I've been wanting to talk about is manifestation. It feels like I've kind of been stuck in a bad headspace for a lot of this year, and I've spent a lot of this year wondering, like, when am I gonna snap out of it? When is the universe gonna bring me something, like, new and positive, right? Because I've been stuck with a lot of the same issues this entire year, and kind of like, why am I still here? Like, why am I still stuck in the same place? But I think recently I've been kind of getting signs that I'm supposed to be moving forward now, because I've started meditating and, like, stretching and being way more productive in my real life, and just treating myself with more respect, you know, with like food and exercise and stuff like that. So essentially I've been faking it until I make it. Like, I've been treating myself as if I'm doing very well in my life, even if mentally I feel a little bit off. I'm like, no, I will still eat well and I will still treat myself well, even if things are a little bit hard right now. But anyways, about like moving forward from your past problems, I think a big part of it that I've realized is in order to move on from something, you have to fully believe that you are like no longer attached to it. Because you can say like, oh, I'm done with this person, I'm done with this situation, situation. I'm fully moved on. I do not care about it anymore. But are you telling the truth or are you lying to yourself, honey? Because if you're lying to yourself, the universe energy can tell, and they're like, nope, honey, you're not ready, so I'm not gonna give you something new. So you just have to work up to the point where you fully believe that you are no longer attached to this thing, and then the universe will very quickly be like, nice, and then they give you a new opportunity or like open a new chapter in your life, and it is just superb. I believe that I am ready for a new chapter in my life, you know what I'm saying? And another big thing to keep in mind is that like you cannot rush the universe. You have to believe in divine timing, which is like you have to believe that things will come at the perfect time for you. So you can't say like, oh, I want this new person or this new opportunity now, like tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and have it. No. You have to be like, okay, I'll take my time waiting because the universe will give it to me at the perfect time. And if you think like that, the universe will give it to you even quicker. So yeah, that's been a big thing I'm trying to focus on. I'm sitting a different angle again. I'm eating some of these chicken nuggets now. I love these nuggets. Ketchup. It's just really strange to think about this year. I know everyone is always like, oh my god, 2020. But like, I wonder if the year... I don't know where I was going with that question. Even though I am a really shy person and I kind of hate talking to new people, it is still like so fulfilling and nice, and I really loved that about my freshman year of college last year. So it's sad to not be able to meet people in real life anymore. But I've been thinking about it a lot this week, and I've actually met a lot of you guys this year. Like I've gotten to play Among Us with you guys, and everyone in our Discord calls are so much fun. And I feel like the one consistent thing I had this year was all of you and like my siblings, and being able to make funny videos and talk with you guys. You guys truly are like one of the main things that like keeps me feeling grounded and happy all of the time. So thank you for always being there to make me happy, because even when things go wrong IRL, I can always come back to y'all, and you guys are so much fun. I'm looking at a bunch of palm trees right now. It's so weird to live here and see those all the time. Look at this. Ooh, palm trees. I love seeing little cat videos on TikTok. Guys, segue into the new topic. If any of you guys were on my Instagram live a few days ago, I was talking about how bad I want a cat because my apartment feels so empty. It's always just me and my roommates. We never really see anyone else. But I'm like, oh, I can't adopt a cat. That's like a commitment for like 10 years. But then you guys on the live were like, oh, you should consider fostering a cat. Because what you do when you foster it is you basically kind of adopt a cat for a short period of time until someone else adopts it permanently. So basically I'm just saving it from a shelter for a little bit and then giving it a nice little transition period in my home, because animals are allowed in my apartment. Realistically, I don't know if I have the brain power to figure out all of that and like raise an animal on my own, but the idea of having a cat in my apartment makes me very happy. I honestly don't know if it'll ever happen. I miss my siblings. I haven't seen them since August. It's so annoying when I go to California and then they'd be sending me videos of all the fun things they're doing, and Ashley posts videos on her channel with Andrew where they're like baking things and having a blast. And I'm like, why did you decide to do all these fun things without me? But I think Thanksgiving will go crazy hard, because me and Ashley always make our own Thanksgiving feast of all our vegan versions of all the foods, and it is insane. And I think I'm staying home in New York until like January. I just realized I never did an OOTD outfit of the day. I'll give you guys one. These shoes are from Princess Polly. These jeans are from Brandy Melville from like a while ago. This shirt with the nice detailing on the side is also from Princess Polly. And I just have these nice little hair clips in too. And then I have this gold necklace that says Libra on it. My roommate got it for me for my birthday. And these earrings are from Best Dressed Ashley. Moral of this video is hold on to the things that make you feel so happy to be alive. That was the corniest thing I've ever said. I'm ending this video. That was so embarrassing. I'm just kidding. But seriously though, things can get very hard, but there will always be at least a few little tiny things that are worth. I'm proud of you for getting through this year. It's alright if you've had your rough points, or if you've gained a few pounds or whatever during quarantine. You gotta be gentle with yourself, and you gotta be forgiving. You cannot expect yourself to stay perfect as the world literally crumbles around us. You're allowed to have bad days, honey. I just wanted to film today because it's been a while. It felt like a good day to film. I've been pretty existential recently, So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Make sure you eat something today and get enough sleep and be nice to yourself, okay? Thank you for joining me on my little mukbang today, or mukbang. I will definitely be seeing you guys again soon. I already have a few videos lined up for the next few weeks I have to post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.